In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an object in Salesforce. This is an essential skill for customizing and optimizing your Salesforce environment to better meet the needs of your organization. So, let's dive right into it and break down the process step by step. To begin, you need to access the Object Manager. Look towards the upper right corner of your Salesforce interface. You'll notice a little gear icon, often referred to as the Setup Gear icon. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the Setup page. Now, if you glance over to the left, you'll see a Quick Find box. This is your best friend for locating features quickly. Type Object Manager into that box and select it from the results. Alternatively, you can click on the Object Manager tab if it's visible near the top of the Setup page. Now that we're in the Object Manager, the next step is kickstarting the creation of your custom object. Look to the upper right corner again, and you'll see a blue button labeled Create. Clicking this will present you with a drop-down menu. Choose Custom Object to begin the process. Now it's time to define the details of your new object. You'll see a form popping up where you can fill in various required and optional fields. This part may seem tedious, but it's crucial as it lays the foundation for how your object will function and appear. After you've detailed everything necessary, it's time to save and create the tab. Hit the Save button. If you've opted to check the Launch New Custom Tab Wizard option, you'll be directed to another part of the setup process, the creation of a custom tab. This is where you can really make your object stand out visually. You'll choose the tab style, which involves selecting a color and an icon that best represents your object. Once you've made your choice, click Next. Next, you'll set the tab visibility for different user profiles within your Salesforce organization. This is crucial for ensuring that the right people have access to the new object. You might decide, for example, to set it to Default On for profiles like sales or system administrators, while perhaps keeping it tab hidden for other profiles. Once you've figured this out, click Next once again. The final step is adding the new object to your custom apps. This means selecting which applications, such as the Sales app or Service app, will feature your new tab in their navigation bars. This helps integrate the object seamlessly into the user experience. After you've made all your selections, simply hit Save. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom object in Salesforce. This tailored feature now allows for more flexibility and organization within your Salesforce setup, setting the stage for enhanced productivity and customization.